Happy holidays, Mean Green family. This year has tested each of us, students, faculty, staff, alumni, and friends. And we're going to remember it as one of the hardest years of our lives and in UNT's 130-year history. It was the year of Zoom, face masks, social distancing, and, yes, toilet paper shortages. But it was also a year in which our university's caring and resilient spirit shined brighter than ever before. Working together, our UNT families continued soaring higher to overcome change and empower our students to thrive. I'm proud of the ways our students have navigated change. This year they've had great understanding, they've remained focused academically, and they've advocated to make our world a more equitable and accepting place. Their actions this year are an auspicious sign for the future, one that will require them to be adaptable, nimble, and able to negotiate great change. Our student success is due to our caring faculty and staff, who have reaffirmed their commitment to our students and worked tirelessly in the face of change. I can't say thank you enough to our faculty and staff for everything you have done this year to help our students succeed. Though we haven't been able to welcome our alumni back onto campus, I hope the Eagle Network is continuing to flourish and that you're seeking ways to help each other and our newest graduates. We're grateful to close this year with UNT's strongest enrollment in our 130-year history, and we look forward to new opportunities to grow and thrive in 2021. We have great hopes for a vaccine and what it might mean as we rebuild and reintroduce more face-to-face experiences. Although it will look different than ever before, I wish you a peaceful, healthy, and rejuvenating holiday season until we can be together again. Go Mean Green!